Hey guys, welcome back to Wolfpack, and we're gonna show this thingamajig up and flying high. Just flying it up. Oh god, this is loud. It's a bit dark. Lots of smoke. There. There's another. Holy crap, there's a lot of smoke. Dang, this is pretty good. This is pretty sick. Still at the Tower of. Nice roll, man. Holy crap. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can't see all those like light things. Yeah, it's just because there's things spinning around. Sorry. This is pretty sick though. The green and the red and the green. Dang. I don't know how long this video will be. I hope it's gonna be 10 minutes. And I'm not moving around, it's a thing. Now you can see it's now spinning. Dang. The crown is all the way in the top. Wait, you can't see it really well. It's like right there. Wait, it's all the way up there. Oh dang, you can't see it. There it is. You can see it. It's gonna be awesome. Look, they're gonna light it up, and it's gonna go up there, and it's gonna like spin everything out. It's pretty sick. And this took only 1 week to build this tower fireworks. Just go ahead and skip the video if you don't want to see this part. It's a star, you can't see it here. Hold up. It's a star. Look. Oh god, it's going everywhere. This is how we celebrate true Mexicans. Look. You can't see it because, well, it's actually a star. It's a star. You guys can see it probably right now. Oh, it's confusing. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Look at that! It's so bright that I can't see it. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay. Look at that. We started all the way from over here. Then we started this firework. Then we got this place. Now we got it all here. But yeah, again, I'm in Mexico. It's pretty fun. You get to explore fireworks. You get to do like shoot BB guns. We just saw a police pass by. So I don't know if we're in trouble. Oh, someone's in the rescue. He's just shaking it. It's just a long way. You see it right there? Oh shoot, fucking leaves. See, it's that. They're gonna light that up. And that's the guy who made it. His name is Noah. Shout out to him. Oh man, he built this all in 1 week, and his brother they brought the fireworks and they built it together. I'm assuming. I don't know. Oh, there we go. It's going crazy. Oh shit, holy crap! It's going! Yeah! There it goes! Oh! Yeah! Yeah!
Noé, vamos para YouTube.
Yeah. YouTube. 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 Ah. Ahora sí, amigo. Ahora sí. Esto quítate. Ahora sí. Ah, ándale. A tu baila. Todo. Holy crap.
Mira eso.
There's
Por si no
lots of
saben,
things.
también en español lo tenemos.
He says that we have it in Spanish as well.
No sé lo que dijo, pero lo voy a traducir.
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama usted? What is it
Acá,
called? What is this
acá,
what is
pa'
this giant?
YouTube,
What is this firework called?
pa' YouTube.
Castillo.
Oye,
Or as a big tower firework. Tower firework. YouTube. YouTube. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. And Happy New Year's, Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas to all. Have a good night.